Russian Spacewalk 57 will be conducted by Sergey Prokopyev, EV-1 in the red stripes, and Dmitri Petelin, EV-2 in the blue stripes. Andrei Fediev will assist as SUD-IV and European Robotic Arm ERA operator. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress the Poisk airlock, turn on the helmet video and lights, then begin translation to Strela 2, a telescopic pole that can be used as a crane to move crew and equipment around. Sergey and Dmitri will translate station forward via Strela 2 until they reach the Zarya module. From there, they'll move Nader onto the Rassvet module to the airlock. At the worksite, crew will reconfigure connectors and cables between the airlock and the Zarya module. Sergey will then remove the multi-layer insulation cover on the airlock and inspect the mating surface. Meanwhile, Dmitri will remove a protective cover. Crew will then work together to release launch locks on the nadir and zenith sides of the airlock. ERA will then release the airlock from the Zarya module and relocate it to the Nauka module. The EV crew will remove additional pieces of equipment, close MLI flaps, and set up the bundle for jettison. EV-1 and EV-2 then translate back station aft along Strela 2 to the Poisk airlock with the jettison bundle. Dmitri stows the jettison bundle on Strela 1 while Sergey retrieves a cable for the airlock and Nauka module connections. Once equipment stowage and retrieval is complete, crew will use Strela 1 to translate station Nadir to the Nauka module. They'll set up at the airlock install worksite and coordinate with ERA to berth the airlock to Zarya. EV-1 and EV-2 will retrieve the cable and mate the connections from the new airlock to the Zarya panel. Once complete, they'll translate back to the Poisk airlock via Strela 1. Dmitri will retrieve the jettison bundle and ingress the operator's post of Strela 1. Dmitri will then jettison the bundle station aft. Crew will meet back up at the Poisk airlock, where they'll perform a tool inventory, inspect each other's suits, ingress, and close the hatch, ending Russian EVA 57.